Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change someone's name on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Be it Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media, your name is the most important thing. People know you by your name and more significantly, using a real name makes interaction better. While most people use their real names, there are some who like change their name just to create confusion. But sometimes you just cannot deal with those non-descriptive nicknames that can create confusion. Fortunately for Snapchat user, there's already an option to not only change their response name but also their friends. How to do it? So simple. So first, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to the contact, and here you can choose on the your friend's name that you want to change. Maybe for example, we choose this one. You can open the profile. Now you can just tap on your friend name and you can edit the name in here. Maybe you want to change like this, like this. After that, you can just tap on save. So now you have changed your friend name. So simple, right? So that is how to change someone's name on your Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.